The word for today is assignment. ASSIGNMENT. Assignment, usually if you're in school or college, they give you some work to do. If you'd have to do it at home, then it is called home assignment. If you are working, then they give you some project, something to do, then you call it as assignment. If you're working in a particular city, they send you for a month or two elsewhere. Then you say that I have an assignment outside the office. Sometimes you have to do field work. You have to do some surveys. Then you say, I have a field assignment. In this way, you can use the word assignment. Some words which are similar to it are task. T-A-S-K. Task is a work. A particular work is a task. A job also is a particular, work. Very often people say, I am doing a job. That means you're doing something which is only for a little time. If you are employed, if you are working in a particular office or a company or a school or college or wherever, then that is not called I'm doing a job. Then you have to say I'm working. This word job is for, I have to do a few jobs for my family this evening. That means you have to buy something for them. You have to take them somewhere. You have to make an appointment with the doctor. That is job. A project also is an assignment. So that is the fourth word. Project is when you have some specific assignment, and that is a project. At the end of the year, you have to submit your project report. You have to work on your project very hard. In this way, we use the word project. Now, you have to remember that some of these words can be used in place of each other. You can say assignment project if it's really a project, or assignment task or task job. It depends on what you want to say. Unless you practice, you don't get this skill, and that is called collocation. Therefore, practice it and watch the collocation videos I have given.